Okay, so this question is an approximating a derivative question. So first thing we're going to do is when you're approximating a derivative, all you're doing is determining the slope. And since they're asking you to approximate the derivative at 0.5, you need to find the slope at x equals 0.5. So if you look at the chart, they give you 2 points. And luckily, 0.5 is between those 2 points. So if you just figure out the slope, the average slope between 0 and 1, that would be hopefully a pretty good approximation of the slope at 0.5. So we just use our regular slope equation. Slope between x equals 1 and x equals 0 would be f of 1, y2, minus f of 0, y1, over x2 minus x1. According to the chart, f of 1 is 2. Also, according to the chart, f of 0 is 1. So this derivative, and I should write, is approximated here by this slope, which is 1. So now the question says we would like to compare that to what the actual slope is. And I think this is, it's hard to read, but I'm assuming this is x, or 2 to the x squared. If it's not, let's assume it is. Now, if this was on the AP exam, I'm pretty sure they would ask you to do this with a calculator. We could do it without, but I'm going to do it with, and then afterwards I'll do it without, just in case. So to get the actual derivative on the calculator, you will type in the function 2 to the x squared, graph it, and then second calc, I missed it, second calc, 6 for derivative, and then type in 0.5, 0.5, enter, and there you have it. It says the derivative is equal to 0.8243. So the difference between the actual derivative and the one we approximated is 1 minus 0.8243. .1817-ish. That's it. Now, if they did ask you to find the derivative without a calculator, we could still do it. You just have to remember that the derivative of an exponential function, a to the u, is the natural log of the base, which is a, times a to the u, times the derivative of the exponent, u prime. So if you're finding the derivative of 2 to the x squared, it would be the natural log of 2 times 2 to the x squared times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. So f prime of 0.5 would be plugging in 0.5 for this x and this x. So I'm going to do that just to make sure we have it right. I can't move this over. There we go. So let me quit. Let me clear this. Well, actually, I did it. If you look up, hold on. I pre-typed it in for you. You can see that when you type in 0.5 for all the x's, you do get 0.8243. There you go.